What's up, gentlemen? So I just would like to officially say Happy Labor Day. Unfortunately, it's probably the last time we're going to be at the beach, the pool, soaking up rays. But the good news is leaves are changing, football season's here, and the deal today is super sweet at Pete and Pedro. So here it is. This deal, I don't want you to miss it because it's a it's a monster deal. 20% off any order, $50 or over. But that's not monstrous, that's just a great deal. What a monstrous deal looks like is also getting a free Trifecta kit, which is a $27 value, which includes a travel clean and condition and a travel size sea salt spray for free. Like I said, $27 value if you use the code LaborDay50. All the information is around here somewhere, and you also need to make sure you check out Legend, the newest fragrance that just dropped at the House of Pedro. Gentlemen, this fragrance is so sick, so sexy, it is ridiculous. The inspiration is Tom Ford's Effing Fabulous. Which it's actually extra effing fabulous because ours is ridiculous, the longevity insane, and the price is amazing. Gentlemen, now is the time. Labor Day is officially here. Don't waste your hard-earned dinero. And wait, I want you to stock up to make sure you don't miss it. Labor Day 50 is the code to get 20% off $50 orders or more and a free Trifecta kit. Gentlemen, hit it now.